In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy conditional formatting in Excel. We are going to move through a simple process that helps you combine text from different cells and then reuse that same logic down a column, which makes your sheet much easier to maintain. First, start by selecting the cell where you want the combined text to appear. For example, if you want the result in column C, row 2, you would click cell C2. Take a moment to make sure you are actually in the correct destination cell, because the formula you enter will only work in that selected spot. This matters because later steps will copy the formula downward, so the starting point needs to be correct. Next, type the formula to combine the text from the cells you want. One clear option is to use the ampersand method. You will type $A2 and A, B2. This tells Excel to take the text from A2, then add a space in between, and then add the text from B2. The space inside the quotation marks is what ensures you get a readable combined result, instead of two words running together. As an alternative, you can use the function version, concatenate A2, B2. Either formula works, so choose the one that you find most comfortable. Once you have typed the formula into the selected cell, you are ready for Excel to calculate the combined text. Now press Enter on your keyboard. After you do this, Excel will evaluate the formula and display the combined result in your chosen cell. If the source cells contain text, you will see the two parts joined together with a space. If you do not see anything expected, double-check that the cells you referenced, like A2 and B2, actually contain the values you think they do. Also make sure there are no extra characters or unexpected blanks in those cells. When the result looks correct, you can move on. After the combined text appears, we will prepare to fill the formula down the column, so you do not have to repeat the work manually. Hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of cell C2 until you see a black plus sign. This black plus sign is Excel's fill handle. It appears when your cursor is positioned precisely over the corner of the active cell. Take a second to line it up, because the fill handle will only show when you are at the right spot. Once the black plus sign appears, the next action is to double-click it. Double-clicking the fill handle tells Excel to flash fill the formula down the column automatically. You will likely see the formula populate in the cells below C2, and the combined results will appear for each corresponding row. This approach is convenient because Excel uses the adjacent data in the referenced columns to generate consistent output down the sheet. If the results do not populate as expected, it usually comes down to how much data Excel can detect in the referenced columns. In that case, review the column you are combining from, such as A and B, and ensure there is data in the rows you want filled. But if your sheet is set up normally, double-clicking the fill handle should handle the rest quickly. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.